Are you a businessman or an entrepreneur or dream to become one? Then you must agree that learning from successful entrepreneurs or businessmen is very, very important for any leader or entrepreneur. But sometimes we miss the train of learning due to our hindrances, and sometimes we may be confused about where to start from. That is why we are trying to highlight interesting and knowledgeable articles, books, blogs in short and crisp so that you can get the idea of the author and their understanding. Please like and subscribe to our channel if not done yet so that you will get the latest releases and notifications. We like you to keep reading and learning and let us know by comment if you need such videos from other books, blogs, articles or research papers. Today, we are going to discuss our understanding of the most important chapter, the mindset of an entrepreneur from the famous book Business of the 21st Century by Robert T. Kiyosaki. The book is more about multi-level marketing, but we are trying to understand from the lens of a traditional market. In this fast changing environment, until and unless we won't change, the formula won't work. The one who is fast and creative enough to grab any opportunity coming towards him is all set to lead the market. But one who will keep sticking to a narrow approach will be left far behind. This focuses on the need to keep changing with time. Persons with ready to grow and positive mentality always succeed. Ready to develop entrepreneur never hesitates to take risks. After all, no pain, no gain. Trying various possibilities can help us to know even better. Sometimes even we don't know our capabilities and interests, but taking risks and exploring new ventures can help let us know. A good leader always has innovative and effective ways to solve the problem and expressively communicating it to the customers, employees, and investors. Yes, these three are very important to be a successful entrepreneur. Satisfying employees makes it easy to satisfy customers, which then to investors. The other point, which is important trait of how the mindset of an entrepreneur is to think and act out of the box. This will separate us from the herd mentality. An entrepreneur having the ability to outshine others is fully ready to open the doors of his success. Thank you very much. Please share your valuable feedback. We love to hear back for consistent improvement.